Indulge yourself in a dessert full of freshness as coconut. Fruits and cream come together in a delightful medley of sweetness. Enjoy tropical flavors with Buko Salad. This Filipino fruit salad is easy to make, creamy and so delicious. Start by shredding young coconuts. Transfer it in a large mixing bowl and set aside for the meantime. Next, drain nata de coco and place in a bowl. I used green and red nata de coco to make the dessert more vibrant. Also, drain liquid from sweet palm fruit. You can also add pineapple tidbits or sweet corn if you want. Lastly, drain liquid from fruit cocktail or tropical fruit mix. If adding fresh fruits such as apples or bananas, drizzle with lemon juice to keep from browning. Take the mixing bowl with shredded young coconut and add all-purpose cream. Condensed milk. Whipping cream. Mix until ingredients are fully combined. Dip in the nata de coco. Add the sweet palm fruit. And the drained fruit cocktail. Gently mix until fully combined. Chill for a few hours or freeze until firm. Serve and enjoy. Buko Salad is the ultimate holiday dessert. If you like this video, please follow Amiable Foods for more delicious recipes.